Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and confirming rewards is enabled. That ensures activity counts. Next, install and sign into Edge so your desktop searches award points automatically. Once done, switch default search engines to Bing and install the Bing mobile app. Mobile searches often give separate daily credit. Do these first because they create multiple simultaneous earning channels. If you skip them, you'll limit points per day. Set sync so searches across devices pool toward the same rewards balance. Now you focus on daily execution. Use both desktop and mobile to hit separate caps. Desktop and mobile each have a maximum, so alternate between them. Complete the Bing homepage quiz and daily sets in the app. These give reliable bonus points. Use short, varied queries rather than repeating the same phrase. Voice search and image search count too, so include them. Make sure to space searches naturally over the day to avoid temporary throttling, and track your daily progress in the rewards dashboard. Finish by converting accrued points into gift cards or sweepstakes entries regularly. Redeeming keeps you motivated and prevents point expiration. Once redeemed, check the rewards activity page to confirm points posted. Delays can occur up to several days. If points don't appear, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, and retry the searches. This often resolves sync glitches. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with screenshots and timestamps so they can reconcile.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.